Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Namaste. In today's video, we are going to learn simple directions in Hindi, which we frequently use while traveling or which you need to say these words while traveling. This is a very short video, so stay tuned. Let's begin. We are going to learn today the Hindi equivalent of how to say go straight, turn left, turn right, take a U turn, stop here, slow down, drop me here, at the signal, please turn left or right, or how to say it's near the market or any other place. So the first one is seedhe. Seedhe. Seedhe means straight. For example, you are saying to the cab driver or any other person who is driving as seedhe jaye, go straight. You want to tell him go straight. Then you say as सीधे जाएं, सीधे जाएं. Sometimes सीधे is also being used as सीधा. So सीधा or in a sentence, if it is being used as सीधे जाएं, that means straight. जाएं means go straight. और सीधे चलिए, सीधे चलिए, which means move straight or also as go straight. सीधे चलिए or सीधे जाएं. Both are almost same and the meaning is like you are telling the person to go or move straight. Next word is बाएं. बाएं. Please listen to the pronunciation. It is told as बाएं. बाएं means left. Left. For example, if you want to say turn left, then you say as बाएं मुड़िए. मुड़िए means turn. बाएं मुड़िए, turn left. बाएं चलिए, go left. So बाएं means left. मुड़िए means turn. Or बाएं चलिए means take left. Take left. Again, you can say it as बाएं मुड़िए or बाएं चलिए. Another word is दाएं. दाएं means right. Again, दाएं मुड़िए means turn right or दाएं चलिए means go right. So you can say as दाएं मुड़िए or दाएं दाएं चलिए. U-turn is U-turn. But if you want to say take U-turn, then you say U-turn लीजिए. U-turn लीजिए means take U-turn. I know you can also survive by only saying U-turn, U-turn. But yes, if you want to form it as a proper sentence and to give it as a command, you include this लीजिए word with U-turn. लीजिए means here in this sentence, take U-turn. Take. In general also, लीजिए means taking something. So it's not as a possession, but yes, here in here you are commanding it, uh, commanding the person to take or requesting the person to take U-turn. So U-turn लीजिए. Next is if you want to say stop, stop. So it's rokiye, rokiye, or sometimes we also call as roko. Rokiye is the more formal version and the casual version is roko. So rokiye, stop. Yahan rokiye, stop here. Yahan means here. So yahan rokiye, stop here. धीरे, धीरे, धीरे means slow. Slow. Slow down means धीरे चलाइए और धीरे चलो. Chalo is the more casual version. चलाइए is the formal version. धीरे चलाइए. You are requesting to slow down. धीरे चलाइए. उतारना. Utarna means you want to get down or you are telling the person to drop you at this point or at this location. So utarna, to drop. इधर उतार दीजिए, drop me here. Utarna means drop, here means idhar, and you are asking or requesting. So you are saying as idhar उतार दीजिए, इधर उतार दीजिए. मुड़िए, we have seen in our previous examples, मुड़िए means turn. सिग्नल पर बाएं और दाएं मुड़िए means turn left or right at the signal. So सिग्नल पर बाएं और सिग्नल पर दाएं मुड़िए, turn left or right at signal. The L is missing in the word signal, sorry about that. Moving on, pass. Pass. Pass means near. Pass means near. You want to say it's near the market, or it's near the school, or it's near the restaurant, or any other place. So, how to say that? Ye means it's. Ye बाजार के पास है. It's close to the market, or it's near to the market. You are telling the direction, I mean, you are telling the location. So, or you can say as ये school के पास है. The destination where you want to go, you are telling that it is close to the school or the market. So, ये बाजार के पास है. That's all in today's lesson. I'll see you next time. Dhanyavad. Thank you for watching.